We all love chicken wings. It's one of those kind of side dishes that you have when you have takeaway. But how about making the wings the thing? The ingredients you're gonna need are chicken wings, some seasoning, oil, some mayonnaise, some curry powder, sweet chili sauce, carrots, and cucumber. The equipment that you are gonna need is 1 bowl, 1 knife, peeler, and a roasting tray, and an oven. You need an oven to cook them in. First thing, have your oven turned on, 180 degrees centigrade. So we're gonna start off with chicken wings. This packet was £2.09, proper pocket friendly. Stick them into the bowl. Now this is New York style buffalo seasoning. Don't be shy either. And then onto that, I'm gonna pour veg oil. Then a bit of kitchen equipment that you've already got, you haven't got to buy. Your hands. Get them in and mix. Make sure that spice and the oil gets a good coating all over the chicken wings. Then just stick them onto your roasting tray. Then wash and dry your hands. Gonna make 2 dips using mayonnaise, curry powder, and Thai sweet chili sauce. Very, very easy. Into each bowl, gonna put mayonnaise, and then into one, about a teaspoon curry powder, and then into the other, 2 dollops of sweet chili sauce. Spoon in each one. And there you have it, 2 dipping sauces done. Now, to add some crisp and crunch and a bit of flavour, we're gonna do cucumber and some carrot crudités. Crudité is a posh word for a stick. Take the carrots, top and tail them, and then cut them in half, and then cut them into sticks. Put them in the bowl, ready to serve. We're gonna do the same with the cucumber. When you've got it into quarters, you can see there, look, the cucumber, it's got seeds that run down the middle. You want to take those out because those seeds make it very, very wet. It's not very good for dipping into mayonnaise. We are ready for what feels like a party with all your mates coming. Look at those. How lush do they look? They smell amazing. They've got that wonderful colour on them. And they are super pocket friendly. Brilliantly simple, and for those of you that don't really like cooking or haven't tried it or a little bit nervous about it, this is a great way of starting out and winging it.
Oh, I like it.
You got a pun in and it was a good one! Let me know how you've got on today using the hashtag #FullTimeMeals and follow our page where you can see loads more recipes.